Hello out there, my name is Kumi. Thank you so much for joining me. Sometime last week, one of you requested that I make a video showing how to set your machine to do both inner and outer weaving. That's what I'll be showing you today. This is the header of my overlocking machine. Normally when you turn it, it goes anti-clockwise. It goes round and round without any obstruction. So this is where most of what we will do today will be controlled. The header is numbered 1 to 7. That's why I cut a piece of fabric numbered 1 to 7. So we are going to start weaving from each of the number for you to see the difference. This is how to open up your machine. I'm just going to bring it closer to you so you can see. Look at this black object, press it down, and then it opens. Then take a look at this, press it down, and then you turn your header. So if it has to be stiff. Once it's not stiff in your hand, turn it around. Then when you sense that it's now stiff, you place it on whatever number you would like to use. So we'll be starting with 7. Normally, the header is soft, very soft, but as soon as you press down that thing and you try to roll the header, it becomes strong, so much that you have to apply a little bit of force to be able to turn it around. This is weaving number 7. It is the most loose of all the figures. It is wide and not as tight as the rest. Alright, I'm going to open up, press down again, and then roll the header. So I'm going to put it on number 6. I'll weave number 6 for you to see. The difference is not obvious, yes, but if you take a closer look, you will see that it's a little tighter. So press again and put on number 5. Can you see? Number 5 is facing that arrow. So we weave number 5 again. Are you spotting any difference yet? Let's try number 4. Press down, roll your header to number 4, and then we weave. You see? Let's try number 3. This is what we have. Press down, bring your header to number 2, and then we weave. So you will notice number 2 was slower. Can you see? And the weaving is also tighter. So we'll try number 1. Can you see number 1? So when you want to do an outer weaving, you set your machine to number 1. I'm going to do the other side and show you. Can you see? So when you set your overlocking machine to number 1, you achieve an outer weaving. I'm going to press down and return it back to number 2. That's what I use between 2 and 2.5. That's what I use for my regular weaving. Now let me show you something. I'm going to return it to number 7 and look for a very soft fabric and weave for you. Can you see? It's rough. It's not so neat. Whenever you weave a piece of fabric and you notice it's rough like this, it means you should change the number you are. So to make it tighter, if you notice it's still tight, you reduce. If you notice it's a little rough and not tight, increase your number. This is me taking you through what we did earlier and as well as give you the opportunity to spot the difference once again. So number 7 is very loose. Number 6 is a little bit tight. You can't really spot the difference in number 6. And then when you're on number 7, your machine is always very fast. And then when you're on number 6, the pace reduces a little. Each number determines the pace of your machine, and of course number 1 is for the outer weaving. So permit me to also suggest that if you just got your machine and you're finding it hard to control the pace, you may want to go for number 2. It's not as fast as number 7. So that way you are able to still control your pace a little. I hope you found this helpful. Every week I bring to you tips that make your sewing experience an enjoyable one. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on anyone. Also, feel free to seek clarification in the comment section, and it will also make my day if you like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.